Because how am I meant to have a nap if the clothes are all over my fucking bed?
I would like to thank the inventor of tweezers.
Sound like a teenage girl with an eating disorder, babes.
Wait, how the fuck do I do this transition?
Hello. Guys, I just got home from a 5-hour road trip. And you'd think when you get home after driving for like the whole entire morning, you get to relax, you get to chill, maybe have a nap because you're fucking tired. No. My mother has left me a beautiful present. I have to clean my goddamn room. Because how am I meant to have a nap if the clothes are all over my fucking bed? Actually, before I do any cleaning, I got a parcel from Outcast. I'm going to a music festival, going to listen out, and this potentially will be the outfit I'm going to listen out. I got a whole fit. This was on sale. I do need to say, because if you didn't already know, your girl's broke. I got the Astrid pant black out. Oh, what? I got the Astrid pants in a size medium. They're little flares. They've got this like pattern. I didn't realize it actually says, I don't know if it's got one on there. It actually says Outcast literally on the pant, and then the front is like this. I don't really know. And then we have the top, which I got the matching set. So this is the Astrid top, but I got it in a large because reasons. So this is, why the tag like do me like that? This is the top. It's got that like same little pattern, and then it's got this, and it's got little cutouts, and I'm hoping this is looking like good boob coverage because I'm not gonna be able to wear a bra. I should put something on. Where's my TV? Oh, it's all the way here. You know, this feels like the right thing to put on. Good morning, you beautiful humans. Today, we have some tasks. We need to go shopping with Sky. I have a book that I need to either exchange or refund. And Sky wants to get some last minute things for Listen Out. So we're gonna do that. I need to clean my room. That is the goal, like fully clean. And then, sorry, my job is messaging me. And then potentially edit, maybe even film, I don't know. Alright, I just rang Sky. She's gonna pick me up when she's tanning right now, and then she's gotta wake up her child, so she's gonna come pick me up after she does all that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna quickly make my bed and see what the real damage is to how dirty my room is, because we all know a dirty bed makes your room look so much worse. So make your fucking bed in the morning, bitches. Alright, so last night, I have a bag. I went through my like gym shirts. It's like all my oversized shirts that I wear to the gym or dance, not that I really dance anymore. But I went through all that and put all the ones I don't really wear anymore, or like don't like, and they're all on the floor. So I'm gonna put them in that bag so they can be donated. And then I'm gonna take all the shoes that are in here down there, and I'm also gonna put it in there because I don't wear those shoes, and then I can fix the situation of having shoes laying all over my fucking room. I've been filming a wardrobe uncluttering video, but I don't know if the video will obviously light of day, but like my wardrobe's looking really good at the moment. Like, look at it. Oh my god, except ignore that. That's storage, but like, wow. Next thing on the agenda, this is the only, this and one of the bag, the only things I've taken out of my car so far from traveling. So we're gonna quickly unpack this and put it away. Alright guys, don't be mad. I didn't vlog when I was with Sky. Me and Sky were in our own little world doing our own little thing. But I did everything I needed to do. I changed over the book and now I'm a proud owner of this one. If we ever meet again, it's the first one in this little series. I really love Anna Huang. I want to show you what else I bought. Because there's no point buying something you're not going to put on YouTube and make some money off it, you know? I bought false lashes for Listen Out. And I bought this body glitter. Going back, I've basically just been budgeting because DEF CON tickets go out soon. So all the money I have been putting away for traveling next year is literally all going to be spent on DEF CON, which is fine. So I've been just figuring out what the fuck I'm doing to make sure I have a good chunk of money saved up by the end of this year, since I'm not sure what's happening with work next year. And I also applied for some Christmas casual jobs, which is scary. But now I'm going to keep cleaning my room because that's what this video is all about. You know, like a little spring cleaning in like October. I want to vacuum the floor and the floor in there so then I can move some of the shoes from in here in there. You know? I want to figure out what the fuck is happening right here with this kaploff of shit that's been sitting here like all year. It's so bad. How am I going to do this? So, 2 of the boxes fit up there nicely. The big box doesn't, so that's going to go under my bed. But to make it fit under the bed, some of the stuff under the bed has to go up there / down there. Because I'm going to pop all the shoe boxes, like all my heels, shoe boxes, I'm going to pop down there. But I want to vacuum it before I put them in there. But yeah, I don't know what else is going up there at the moment. Alright, I'm going to take this off the wall. I would like to thank the inventor of tweezers for helping me get that off the fucking wall. Guys, seeing that much carpet is shocking because this basket has been sitting in that corner for the longest time. And like that's giving the motivation I need to like sort my shit out. I swear to God, if while I'm doing this a fucking spider comes out, I'm gonna lose it. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go through my chia bows. This technically could be called procrastination, but it's going to make my room look better overall. So I'm going to basically sew this ribbon onto this ribbon by hand, and then I'm going to attach some of my bows to it. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. So this is what I've created so far. It's got this so I can attach it to the wall. I literally attached it with a, what the fuck is that called? Zip tie. I've stitched the pink on up the top there, and I've stitched it down the bottom here. I'm debating if I do one in the middle just to make it a teeny bit more sturdy, because I'm gonna add all the bows and this is just gonna, you know? So maybe we'll add one more in like the middle. Can I just say, this is what happens when no one loves me on a fucking Friday afternoon. Like, it's like 8 p.m. This is what happens. The room turns into a war zone. Random DIY projects happen. We're gonna see how many bows we can fit on this. Then I'm gonna put a nail into the wall and hang this with all of my bows. This is a beautiful hook that I will be using. Okay, it looks a little chaotic. Hang on. Oh, I did something.
Are you guys ready? This is about to be on there. Oh my god. Slay. I've been wanting to do this for fucking years. Guys. The clean floor. It is everything!
Genuinely, why have I not done this sooner? Like, hello. Next goal, I'm gonna try and pop these bags like neatly up the top in that gap and just see if that looks better, because I feel like this is gonna ruin the mirror selfies at the moment, you know?
Wait, how the fuck did I do this transition?
Hello. It is day 3 of me cleaning my room. I've actually done so much today and I didn't video any of it. Whoopsie daisies. So sorry. I was in the mindset and I just worked and now my room looks really good.
I want to try and tackle something to do with these.
I don't know the dance. Hello? Okay, maybe I give like maybe myself a little extra time because I can't speed. Naughty.
No, not naughty.
Yes, naughty.
I'm having an eating delay.
You sound like a teenage girl with an eating disorder, babes.
Have you eaten today? There's a bit of an awkward silence going on here. I'm going to be having an even better time listening to better music.
Yeah, I was waiting for that. No, good for you. I don't really care.
I think you do.
Okay.
I think you'd much rather come to not get it.
Alright, bye. I don't think I like this. So if you couldn't tell, hated the lights on the mirror. So now, fuck, I just muted everything everywhere. Now we're going to attempt the LED lights.